Oh yeah, they did know.
Silly old ducks.
I don't think somebody's brooked that bit for them.
Might have done. That's in the shade, and it, so it might have melted a bit.
Oh yeah, and under the trees. Yeah, maybe it did. I wonder how hard it is. I'm tempted to go inside.
You'd fall in.
Be thick enough to walk on it.
Oh gosh. Hate you with the plastic.
I had a clip like this in my Tomb Raider thing. But it wasn't frozen over.
There's some nice quacking.
They're all in here.
Oh, look at little Winter Wonderland.
Hello, ponies.
There, squeeze some more of them. What's this?
That one has lost his squeak.
I can't even tell which one's making the noise. Little lamb chop.
What
Little lamb chop.
does a funky dino do?
I don't think they made that noise. That again. Look at this face. Oh my god, that's amazing. Look at it.
What is it called?
What's that?
I've got all funny on my hand.
Look at that funny little house. It's horrible. Look at this. Hello, we're in a shop and we're browsing around. Browsing around.
Oh, she's been too careful.
A helicopter chair. Oh, it's not as funny. When Mum went in, it was funny, and then she got up and I couldn't film.
Oh, it's really nice. Just sit in the garden.
Put the thing down. You have to make sure it's in focus. You didn't. It's not hardly moving at all.
Take me. Are we going to sit in the car and have them?
Yeah. Would you like me to shoot this for you, Poppy?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. And can we have some, do you want ketchup? Barbecue, yeah? Ketchup and barbecue sauces, please.
There you go.
Sugars and dips.
Sugars, dips. Mine
I'll
is
hold
hot.
Where?
That one.
Oh, I can smell it. Oh, it smells delicious. Chills and thrills.
Where should we go?
Somewhere nice.
Parking, accessible parking. Where should they get accessible parking? Actually, I'm going to go here because it's in the sun.
So we've got McDonald's and here's mine. I've got some fries and cheeseburger. So that will be fun to eat. So what's your favourite sort of fast food? And do you even like fast food? Tell me in the comments below. So we're back home now and it was very cold today and there was ice, so I had to like cling on to either Beck or Mum and negotiate that. But it was quite a good day and I had quite a nice time, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!